Hey everybody, welcome to Disney Supreme. Today I'm going to take a little tour around my neighborhood here in Champions Gate, and then I'm going to head off to Animal Kingdom for some tasty treats. Let's go.
How could I know it would be goodbye, my love? When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
Alright. Got my keys. Let me check and see if there's any Amazon. And there is Amazon. Amazon packages. Okay. Alright, let's go check the mail.
How can a heart just forget what's kept in stone? I need to know what's that living slowly goodbye, my
Disney's Animal Kingdom, the largest Disney park in the world, covering over 580 acres, which is more than 5 times the size of Magic Kingdom. At the heart of it all is the Tree of Life, standing 145 feet tall with over 300 animals carved into its trunk. More walls here at Dinoland USA, soon to be, not soon, but will be eventually Tropical Americas. Now that's one big pile of dirt. Here's the totally sweet sundae. It's made with buttered pecan ice cream layered with hot fudge and caramel, topped with candied pecans, whipped cream, and sea blue sugar, all served in a white chocolate dipped waffle bowl. And there it is, totally sweet sundae. It looks delicious. I just started eating it. I forgot to even record. It looks so good. There was a turtle medallion right there. I ate it already. So good. You're allowed to eat this? I don't think so. Maybe you are. Even though Animal Kingdom is the largest Disney theme park in the world, there's not that much to do here, especially right now, where there's a lot of attractions that are down, remodeling. You know, they're remodeling Dinoland USA to Tropical Americas. It's a Bug's Life is going to turn to Zootopia, so that's down right now. And then after all that's done, really, I think they're only going to be adding one new attraction, and that will be Encanto, the Encanto ride. The Hall of Walls. Look at this Yeti sundae. You got Panic and Pain here. I've never seen that before. That's cool. I also hate how some of the cast members have to leave out the front door. I think that just ruins the magic. I mean, I know it's not the Magic Kingdom, but still, it's a Disney park, and there's a certain standard with Disney parks. One of the things was not seeing the employees come to work or leaving work. I don't know what these are called, but these smell good. Let me get up here. Yeah, these things smell good.
As we approach our stop, please remain seated and hold on to any small.
Back in my bubble here in Champions Gate, going to Publix. In the mood for a Detroit hot dog. But I need to find this coney sauce. Hopefully Publix has it. What are you getting?
I'm just looking at this.
Never seen that one before.
Smokehouse. Look how old this company is, 1869.
I never heard of that one.
These are long wieners.
That's it. That's a dirty water dog.
Well, it won't fit in the bun though. Should I get the smaller one?
Yeah. Well, they stick out the bun.
Do they have bigger buns?
No.
Have you ever had
That's not the way it is in New York. They stick out the bun, right?
Really?
I think so.
Maybe. Maybe I'm okay with
When
it.
you cook these, they shrink a little bit, right?
How much?
A little bit. Oh, they got keto buns. We should get those.
I don't like the taste.
But it's made by Nature's Own. Isn't Nature's Own's like the better one?
This is mine are $1.96. How much are yours?
$7.
They cost $11.
Yeah, it does.
Mine are $1, so how about you just get both?
All right. I got all the healthy stuff here. I got the zero sugar root beer, zero sugar. I mean, yeah, zero sugar Coke and the zero sugar Fresca
Yeah.
with the 1 carb bread and the 0 carbs of the hot dogs. Now we just need to find the coney sauce. It's wherever the chili, the hot dog chili's at.
It's gotta be this aisle.
It has to be this aisle.
Cannot.
Oh, I feel like I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. You see it? Oh, SpaghettiOs. I seen it before. I think I've seen it before. I think it was in a
Look, look.
a glass container.
It's chili.
Yeah, but it has to be Coney
Oh my god.
Island chili.
Alright.
Can you check your own phone? What is that?
What is this?
They even have a label on it.
Oh, flat fillets.
Oh.
What if I put that in a hot dog? Oh, you know what you'll like?
Some anchovies.
Anchovies. Is that the one where it looks like fish when you open it?
Yeah, and then you get it on pizza.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Ugh.
Disgusting.
Rachel.
It might be in the specialty area.
No, I'll look it up. Coney, what is the Coney sauce?
Yeah, Coney sauce. That's this one right here.
Then, if it's not an app, then,
They don't have it?
well, because this is the app.
Yeah.
So, do you want to use it?
They got hot honey. No, that's similar because they said it's spicy.
They didn't say it's spicy.
Yeah, it did. They said that it has a little spice to it.
Okay, fine.
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Should we get the original in case?
No. This is fine.
Yeah. Usually when they say hot, it's not that hot. It's
I know.
not really hot. There's no Coney Island sauce in Publix. We gotta find that somewhere though. For next time. Gotta go to the produce area.
Where's the onions?
In the produce area. Over here. Chopped onions are right here. $3.59. Oh, you want it diced or cut long?
No.
Diced.
Wait.
That lasts a while. What?
There's supposed to be red onions.
There is red onions right
I
here.
don't like red onions.
Oh, you want red?
I don't know. Actually, now I gotta think about it.
Red tastes good too. Red onions taste good. Did the recipe say red onions? It says white onions.
Okay. Do we have mustard?
Yeah, we got a lot of mustard. Like chili, that, ketchup, mustard, right? Or mustard. I think we're good.
Okay. I guess.
Alright, that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Doesn't hurt. This is a little button down there, right down there. Just hit that little button. You could do it. No, seriously, do it.